So, it's pretty often that we make cantilever gates. I've made some pretty long ones, pretty big ones, some medium-sized ones, but this week we made something kind of weird. We made one that was 9 foot long. The gate opening, I thought he said 60 feet, and I thought, man, that is a big gate. And I said, come again? He said, no, 6 feet. It's a 6 foot opening cantilever gate? Well, all right. So to put that into perspective for you, normally our openings are roughly 20 feet, let's say. That would be pretty common. This one was only 6 feet. That's as tall as I am, which is a little strange. We've made some shorter ones before, but never a 6 foot opening cantilever gate. So when I normally build cantilever gates, I'm having to take 2 long pieces of pipe and butt them together and weld them together to get one really long piece of pipe before I even start. With this one, I didn't have to do that. In fact, I only needed 1 piece of pipe and trimmed it down to 9 foot. And with 2 of those pieces, I was able to frame in this entire cantilever gate. It's pretty wild. When I was getting ready to weld the other side, normally we have a gantry crane here in the shop, and I thought about bringing it over and then took a second look at this thing and thought, nah, I probably don't need that. So yesterday we had to build a 33 foot overall cantilever gate, and typically those take a while. I'd say maybe a good 6 hours or so, especially when I'm doing it on my own. This one that we did today probably took me all of about 1 hour and 30 minutes, I'd say. And typically on longer cantilever gates, especially ones that have a 20 foot opening or more, we like to put wind braces on them. And a wind brace is just an extra piece of material that trusses the cantilever gate and keeps it from snaking or wobbling as it opens and closes. This particular one, needless to say, didn't need it. So that really helped cut down on time. And I had a super fun time making it. So this was a really small cantilever gate. Thought it was a really odd gate and an odd experience making it. Something that you're probably not going to see a whole lot of, at least around here in Missouri. The gate turned out really good, and I'm sure the customer will be grateful to have it and thankful that we could get it knocked out so quick. It was a different experience. Normally they take forever, and this one we got done the first hour or so this morning. It's not something that we do all the time, and thought we would share that experience with you guys.